The remnants of Hurricane Katia, this massive cloud on the satellite picture towards the west of the UK, gradually moving its way towards us. But even ahead of it today, there's a fair amount of cloud for northern and western areas. So this afternoon for Northern Ireland into Scotland, grey skies, there'll be outbreaks of rain. Some of that rain could be heavy, breezy and feeling quite cool, temperatures around 15 or 16 degrees. Fairly wet too for Cumbria this afternoon, a few spots of rain draping down into Lancashire, but not too bad on the eastern side of the Pennines, some occasional sunshine there. And even further southwards across the Midlands, East Anglia and South East England, fewer showers by the end of the day, some decent spells of sunshine, highs of 21 or 22. Now further west across Wales and southwest England, a few showers dotted about here this afternoon, but not raining all the time, but breezy, if not a little bit gusty towards some western coasts. Now through this evening and overnight tonight, the first batch of rain tends to fade away, but the next area of rain moves in. This could well be heavy overnight. The wind's really picking up towards the far northwest. That's a sign of things to come. A mild story for all, temperatures staying in double figures. Now the real strength of wind arrives on Monday. A Met Office amber warning for the strength of the wind, particularly northern parts of the UK. Gusts of wind of 70, even 80 miles per hour. Damage and disruption is possible, but even further south, a fairly windy day too. And it's no surprise when you take a look at the pressure chart. The isobars, the white lines, very close together. It is set to be a very windy day. So for Monday then, the strength of the wind the main story. Gusts of 70, locally 80 miles per hour for the north of the UK, but even further south to the lee of the hills, quite gusty, gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour. Also some heavy rain affecting northwestern parts of Scotland. Brighter skies further south, temperatures in the teens but feeling cooler when you factor in that wind. Now for the evening rush hour tomorrow, things could be very nasty for the northern half of the UK in particular. Gusts of wind again of 70 or 80 miles per hour. If you're travelling in the central lowlands, do beware. Northern England, Northern Ireland too. But again, even further southwards, the winds at times will be pretty gusty. So if you are travelling later tomorrow, do stay in touch with BBC Local Radio and the latest travel information, of course, with BBC Travel Online. Now the strong winds continue overnight into Tuesday because despite the low starting to move away on its southern flank, the isobars are still very close together. So still for the morning rush hour on Tuesday, for northern areas quite gusty winds, gales or severe gales, further outbreaks of rain mounting up across the western side of Scotland, bright skies further south, temperatures firmly fixed in the teens. Now thankfully by Wednesday the winds do start to ease down proper, but still a little bit windy towards the northeast of the UK. Further outbreaks of rain here, sunny spells and showers further south, and temperatures again in the teens. Now towards the middle part of the week we lose low pressure and we say hello to high pressure moving in, but it could be quite chilly for a time for Wednesday night into Thursday, a few mist and fog patches forming too, but these will burn away through the day, and a fairly bright day for most with a mixture of clouds and sunshine, but still temperatures firmly fixed in the teens. But all change for England and Wales on Friday. A plume of warm, humid air pushes northwards across England and Wales on the southern side of this high, and that will introduce grey skies and thundery rain pushing northwards across England and Wales through the day on Friday. Bright skies and some sunshine further north. But for now, the concern is the strength of the wind for much of the UK tomorrow. The warning's always available online. Goodbye.